What's up, everybody? We're going to do a quick unboxing and see what's in the box of this mini computer, WWE. Let's open it up and check it out. This is my first time opening it as well. I think you open it like this. So this is going to be the third additional device for my Proxmox cluster. So here we go. First time opening it. User's manual, mini computer. This is a really nice premium paper that they used. Gives a description of what everything is. Wow, this is really like high quality paper. All the different ports, all the different devices you can connect to it, and what the package contains. So this is what we should have. We should have the mini computer, the frame and screws, the power adapter, and then this user manual. So the first thing it looks like we have is the computer itself. Here it is. Wow, it's actually really light. Good ventilation. Like I said, it's extremely light. Wow. I don't know where to put it, so we're just gonna put it there. And then let's see what else we got in the box. We should have the power adapter and the bracket with screws, whatever that is. So it looks like this is the power adapter. And this said we should have one more item. Frame and screws. Oh, I think they're in here. Frame and screws. Stay tuned.